If you're exploring career options in risk management or just curious about what roles like operational, market, and credit risk involve, then this video is for you. I often receive messages from students and young professionals trying to figure out the right path in finance. This is where the understanding of right role, right skill, and right expectations become very critical. Risk management in particular offers wealth of opportunity. But you need clarity about what it actually involves and how to succeed. Hello everyone, my name is Ganesh Nayak, founder of Fintelligents, where we help students prepare for professional exams like CFA, FRM, and SCR. And today we are diving into the exciting world of risk management. We are breaking down the field into three critical roles: operational risk, market risk, and credit risk. Along the way, I'll share insight into the entry-level opportunities, career growth, and the key skill set that you need to thrive in this space. First of all, what is risk management? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is risk management? Think of it as a process of identifying, analyzing, and mitigating uncertainties that could negatively impact any business. These risks can come from all directions: financial markets, internal operations, or even external events like natural disaster or even global pandemic. For businesses, risk management is no longer optional. In our fast-moving interconnected world, even a minor oversight can result in a massive financial loss or reputation damage. That's why risk professionals are in high demand across industry. And here's the best part. Unlike some areas of finance that are restricted to specific sectors, risk management roles are needed everywhere, from banking to insurance to tech to consulting and even startup. Let us break down the risk management roles. First, we're going to be talking about operational risk. What is operational risk? These type of risks focus on internal workings of the company. It's about ensuring that the process, system, and the people function as they should. When they don't, it leads to disruption, losses, or even worse, the complete failure of the system. For example, imagine a global e-commerce company experiencing a server outage during a big sale event like Diwali or Black Friday. The financial loss from such an incident could run into crores. Or even consider a bank accidentally transferring funds to the wrong account due to system glitch. This is operational risk. What are the entry-level opportunities that you have? As a fresher, you could start as an operational risk analyst or an associate into process improvement. These roles often involve analyzing incidents, identifying gaps in workflows, and recommending preventive measures. What are the skills that you need to succeed in operational risk? Over here, you need to have strong analytical thinking, an eye for detail, and a basic understanding of compliance framework. Many professionals also benefit from learning tools like Excel, SQL, or process mapping softwares. Over a time, you can move into management roles or even specialize into areas which are very niche, like fraud prevention or cyber security risk. Second is market risk. Let's talk about market risk in detail. It's all about the risks that arise from the movement in the financial market, like for example, interest rate change, currency fluctuation, or even stock price volatility. A great example of market risk is when central bank suddenly increases interest rate. It impacts everything from bond prices to mortgage payment, and businesses need professionals who can navigate through these changes. This is your market risk. What are the entry-level opportunities that you have? You can start as a market risk analyst or a junior quantitative analyst in this space. Early in your career, your work may involve building models to predict potential losses or analyzing historical market trends to guide decision making. Now, what are the skill sets that you need in market risk space? Strong mathematics and statistical skills are very important. And also, along with that, you need familiarity with softwares like Python, R, and MATLAB. Financial modeling knowledge and knowledge of derivative is also very instrumental if you want to succeed in this role. With experience, you can grow into roles of risk strategist or portfolio manager or an even senior risk manager where you can take decisions. Third, credit risk. Finally, when we talk about credit risk, the credit risk deals more into assessing the risk that the borrower, whether it's an individual or a business or even a government, might have when suppose they default on their obligation. For instance, think of a bank issuing a loan to small businesses during an economic downturn. If these businesses struggle to repay, the bank faces a credit risk. What are the entry-level opportunities in this space? You can start out as a credit analyst or even a junior risk officer. These roles often involve reviewing financial statements, analyzing repayment histories, or determining the credit worthiness of the counterparty. What are the key skill sets that you need to succeed over here? You need to have very solid understanding of financial ratios, balance sheet, forecasting techniques. You should be good with tools like Bloomberg or even credit risk management softwares. As you gain experience, you can move into senior roles, which is generally going to be a credit risk manager part, where you are going to be taking more complex decisions with respect to the credit risk of the organization. Let us now talk about the broader skill set and qualification that you need in risk management. Over here, I'm going to talk about, for starters, the most entry-level roles would require a basic degree in finance, mostly it's going to be an MBA, or any other related fields like economics. If you have background in mathematics or engineering, then you're highly valued in certain technical roles like market risk or quant-driven roles. Certifications like FRM, which is Financial Risk Manager, or CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst, can set you apart from other candidates. These credentials signals to employers that you have a specialized knowledge, and most importantly, you're serious about building a career into this space. What are the key soft skills that you need? Problem solving skills, decision making skills are very, very important. Communication skill is equally important, as you're going to be talking to a lot of stakeholders into the entire bank. What are the most important technical skill set that you need? If you want to succeed in risk management, basics of Excel, basics of Power BI or Tableau is expected. Learning programming language like Python, R or MATLAB can lead you to more advanced roles into modeling and data analysis. Now let us talk about what are the career opportunities that are there in risk management space. Risk management is the fastest growing field in finance. In India, the entry-level salaries typically range between 3 to 6 lakhs per annum, but this varies depending upon your location, your certification, and also what type of role you are actually landing into. Cities like Mumbai and Bangalore offer some of the best opportunities, specifically in the sector like banking, insurance, and consulting. Globally, there has been an increasing demand for risk professionals, major financial hubs being London, New York, and Singapore, where there is active hiring happening every single time. To wrap things up, risk management is a career where you can truly make an impact. It is also incredibly rewarding if you enjoy solving problems and taking high-stake decisions. If this sounds like something you like to pursue, start building your skill set today. And remember, the journey might be tough, but the growth potential is immense. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and even share it with your friends who might benefit from this. And as always, drop your question into the comment section. I would like to help you out.